Up, folks, gotta shave a little. Today we came out here with Rissa, and we came to Oozapalooza. Vinimos a Oozapalooza. It's a slime place, and what else do we know about it? Just that it's a slime place. Es una de que parecen mocos. No sé cómo se diga slime in español. I don't know how to say it in Spanish, but let's go check it out. We're at the Town Square? Town Square? Yeah. Este lugar se llama Town Square. A bunch of little shops. It's like a mall. It's como un mall. Lots of outlets. Ooh, and it looks like we just got here basically. Ya llegamos. I think it's in here. Parece que es aquí. Oh, it is here. Oozapalooza, aquí es. Vamos a llegar. Hello. They got a bunch of things. Got the glue, su resistor, and all the little knickknacks. Las cositas con que puedes decorar el slime. Alright, folks, well, it was a fail. They didn't have any openings till 5:40. No tenían reservaciones hasta las 5:40, so, and it's only 3 o'clock right now, and we didn't really want to wait a few hours. No quisimos esperar unas horitas porque la próxima escena donde hacen slime es a las 5:40, pero es mucho tiempo, apenas son las 3. So we're gonna go do something else. We're gonna try and find something else, and we'll be right back. Vamos a buscar otra cosa que hacer y ahorita regresamos. You got a little lavender, a little green. Oh, it does look a little purplish.
It's still like even though I have no experience of this. I can tell.
Yeah, first time.
Do you even know what it means?
I think I'm gonna get the orange.
You want some? Well, that smells good.
Smells good?
It smells like oranges. April peanuts, banana.
So just keep mixing and know how much more activator we need.
Oh, that smells good. One of them smells good.
What do you use for activator at home?
We go to Walmart.
It's almost there.
Mine's purple. Mine's better. Yours looks like apple.
So,
Yeah, just on the table check. It comes off.
I have slimy.
very slimy.
It's crunchy.
Oh,
See
it's
how
getting there. Oh, extra crunchy. Oh, look at mine.
Yours is like, mine is cold. You got bigger hands.
Yeah.
Mine's supposed to. My other one.
Yeah, you can
Get it all on in there.
That's good. Good. And that one can be flavored.
Tom? No. You can get some jewels.
I'm gonna put it on top of this.
Do it.
So it's like it's gonna be like, mine looks like cookie, purple cookie dough.
Some delicious purple
I'm
cookies.
taking out all the gummy bears. Not all of them. Oh, strawberry. Oh, wow.
Nice.
So this is a little spray bottle with activator. Make
Mhm.
it sticky.
Oh, I There we go. This is sticky.
folks. This place that's right by In-N-Out on Sahara. Está por la In-N-Out en Sahara.
Go go upstairs.
Yep. You gotta go upstairs. Tienen que subirse para arriba at Gata's Boutique. Ahí en el-
7B.
7B, correct. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Estaba chido. It was nice. It was soothing. It was relaxing. And we got lots of slime. The lady's really nice. La señorita. Se toma su tiempo. It's chida. And it's really, really inexpensive. I think I saw a sign saying they start at 10. We got ours for 15. You can put whatever you want in there. Pueden poner lo que sea. And yeah.
John Sense.
Oh yeah, the scents were pretty good. The scents were pretty good. Olían bueno.
This one? Which one is this one? The vanilla?
I think I got grape.
This smells good. Smells like the vanilla. I think.
Oh, yeah. All right, folks, and that was it. Yeah, eso es. Ahorita vamos a ir a comer. We're gonna go do some shopping.
There's other things too.
And do some other things, and yeah. All right, we're out. Don't forget to hit that like. Póngale un like.
Like it, shit.
Yup. All right, out.
I have slime on my leg. This is the best product.
Pretty cool bridge.
Downtown now, so we could park, get out and walk, or just kind of. Oh, Cheap Trick's behind
Is the trolley gonna be behind me?
They're not gonna hit you.
Hey, all right, folks. Cita, we're over here. We're in downtown. So almost in downtown. Let's go see if we can find a spot. Vamos a ver si podemos encontrar un lugar. I'm with my co-workers. We're trying to get the meter running. Pues tratamos de poner horas al parking. Y ahorita vamos a ver qué comemos, a ver qué hacemos. Creo que vamos a venir a Hotel Congress. We're gonna come to Hotel Congress right now and grab a bite. Y creo que vamos a ir a comer. Because we're tired of pizza. Hemos ordenado lots of pizzas. So pizza ya no. We've had too much pizzas. No more pizzas. Great. What is it? Oh, cool. It's just something.
It's like for.
Alright, folks, we just got seated. We're gonna eat at the Congress Hotel. Vamos a comer en el Hotel Congress. Y ahorita tienen una yardita. They got a nice backyard. They got lots of Halloween decorations, decoraciones. This place must be lit at night. Se va a poner chido en la noche. Very cool. Hay muchas para que te tomes muchos selfies. Oh, you can take a bunch of selfies. I'm assuming, estoy asumiendo que aquí han de tener shows. We'll probably do some shows. So that's pretty cool. I got my co-worker over there. Not too bad. It looks pretty cool. Now, I'm gonna go sit down. Vamos a sentarnos so we can order. We gotta order. Get like an Arnold Palmer and then we'll see what they have.
We need to go to Saguaro National. Tomorrow? So she had a baby herself. And she was just like, oh, it's time for you to go, it's okay. Definitely taking pictures of everybody's food, is that okay?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna do a video.
Get in there, girl.
What'd you get?
Depot salad. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to grow it.
Nice.
What's your channel called?
Huh?
What's your channel called?
Out con JP, and I have another one.
Out on JP?
Uh-huh. Oh, that's pretty good. Can you try it?
It smells good. The fries look good. Let me see. So this is
Go for it. Go for it. Grab one.
cauliflower- Oh my gosh. It didn't work.
Just catch up.
Uh-huh.
Those fries are great.
Try some fish. I'll take a tomato.
I'm stealing a fry.
Go for it, girl. Oh.
Mmm.
Sharing is caring. Try the fish.
A little bit. Well,
In a little bit's gonna be gone, girl.
well, cut me a little piece. I don't want to just like get into your YouTube channel and just like, "Arr."
Alright, I'll edit you out. Put you extra big in there.
Damn. That big? Alright. I'll take a piece.
Would you like a
Thank
piece?
In a minute.
you. A minute's gonna be gone.
I'll take that tab.
That's funny. Yeah, it's not bad.
It's actually couldn't get here when we got here.
What?
It's actually you couldn't get here before.
Yeah, I know, it sucks. We would have partied till we're purple.
Eating a seed.
We've done really well with food, I think, on this trip.
Trying to.
Alright, Vasita folks. We just got done eating. Ya terminamos de comer. Now we gotta go back to work. Ahora tenemos que ir a trabajar. But it was pretty good. Estaba muy bueno. The Arnold Palmer was great. And el Arnold Palmer sabía bueno. Lots of places, they don't get it right. This one was alright. It was good. It was drinkable. Se podía tomar. The fish and chips was great too. Estaba muy rico los fish and chips, el pescado. Entonces le doy como un 8. Le doy como un 8. Pero al rato vamos a otro lugar. O creo que vamos a regresar al rato aquí a tomar unos drinks. We're going to have some drinks, unas bebidas al rato. And eat too. So catch you later.